Sound on. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unskilled Kitchen. Something in my throat. If you haven't noticed, you're cute, I love you. So I have my daughter here with me. Her name is Ava. Ava, you can say hi. Okay. So Ava just had a birthday, and she is how many?
This and this.
Cool. Some truth to that. So yes, she is 4. She just had a birthday. And what are we going to make for your birthday today? I asked her what she wanted. I said, Ava, what do you want for your birthday?
Sandwich and cake.
Sandwich and cake?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
She spoke. She wants a sandwich and cake. We're not going to do the cake today for this episode, sweetie. But you do get cake though, okay? Oh, what we are going to do is we are going to do a sandwich.
Sandwich.
So, what sandwich are we going to do today? We're making a cubano today. So yeah, we're going to make a cubano for this little girl's birthday.
Can I get my bean? My bean? Can I?
Here, stay right there. Stay right there.
Yay!
We're going to use some bread.
Come on.
Yeah.
Ready.
All right, and then we have some butter. You want to put it on there?
Butter.
Woohoo! And some arugula.
Rhubarb.
There you go. Some marinade.
Marinade.
And some rosemary ham. There you go, sweetie.
Ham.
Some Swiss. Yeah, good job. Cheese.
Yeah.
Some mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
And what's this?
Pickle.
Yeah, some pickles. All right, what is this? Do you know what this is?
Take it.
Close enough, yeah. We got some carnitas and
Lemon.
a lemon. There we go. Oh, can't forget. Do you know what that is? It's garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah, garlic. And then,
Pepper.
and salt.
Salt.
Yeah, pepper and salt. This is what we need right here. Does it look good?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take our pork. This is a already made carne, sorry, not carne.
You spit on me.
I spit on you?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Where, right here? So, this carnitas is already cooked. Like I said, this is going to be a simple recipe, so we're not going to be doing a whole lot of cooking. Here, you want to play with it? And we're going to throw it in there. You want to put it in? Grab the whole thing. Yeah, there you go. Okay. There you go.
I got big.
Look at you go, girl. Perfect.
Afternoons, the pies.
Go ahead. So you're going to fill it up to this line right there.
Okay.
There you go. Top line, okay? Keep going. Almost right there. Good job, sweetie. All right, and then you're going to put half of it in here. Can you do it? Whoa!
Oh, it's spiral.
Oh, it's okay. It's just a little spill.
Spiral.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, good job.
Shaky, shaky, shaky.
Shaky, shaky, shaky.
Can I clean it?
Yeah, go ahead.
It won't open, so
You need some help with opening it? Yeah. Okay. Here, go ahead and put it in there. Put about half the bag. Or the whole bag. Okay.
now do this. Cover it up.
Almost. You got some in here too. Here, let me help you out, okay?
Whoa. That was yummy.
One thing about Ava is she loves spicy and sour things. Isn't that right, Ava?
Mm-hmm. Yum, yum, yum.
Do you know what ingredient we forgot, Ava? We forgot olive oil.
Oh, yeah.
A little more. A little more. There you go. Good job. Now you can go ahead and you can mix it.
I'm good at this.
You are good at it. Sure thing. Okay, go wash your hands, silly goose. Yeah.
Crazy. It's a father with my slippery hands.
With your slippery hands?
Yeah.
Well, you washed them but didn't dry them? Did you dry them? No, you didn't. That's what happens.
Daddy, can you open this, please?
Yeah, I'll be right there.
I'm not strong enough.
I'm not strong enough. Oh no.
I know how to do. There we go.
Okay.
Can I spray it in there?
Yeah. Not yet though. Hold on, I gotta get you a spoon.
A baby spoon, though.
You're doing good. Okay. No, not yet, not yet. Now, let's put that aside.
What about this?
Yes, so go ahead, open the salt.
I can't.
You can't?
Cause this.
Because your slippery hands? Slippery hands.
Can I put it in there?
You can, just don't drop it with your slippery hands. Keep going, keep going. Oh my goodness.
What about pepper?
Pepper's next. Good, good, that's enough, that's enough. That's a perfect amount, Ava. Good job.
Now
It's not
stir it.
stirred. Yep, exactly. Good job. Okay. Good enough.
What next?
Next.
This.
Huh? Here, Ava. You think you could throw this in the trash over there?
I can't.
You want to try?
Maybe.
Oh, so close.
Like you did.
Yeah. So yeah, we will do this one next. Good job. That's the garlic. Let me go get a cutting board, a knife, and some other things. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and we're going to put our garlic into this pan and we're going to cook it up until it's just fragrant. Okay, we don't want to overdo it. We just want to start smelling that garlic.
Everyone knows we're talking. And that is crazy.
Okay.
Because it doesn't have any seafood.
Cool. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put this in.
What the smell?
It's the garlic. All right, you ready for the next part, Ava?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the next part is you're going to go ahead and you're going to put some mustard in there.
I can't open it.
You can't?
I can.
Here. Oh, you can? Okay, go ahead. I thought you said you could open it. I got you. Squeeze.
Squeeze
So
it.
then what we're going to do is we're going to take our garlic, watch out, and our oil. Watch out, this is probably still a little hot, okay? Okay, so you can go ahead and stir with this.
It looks so yummy, huh?
It does look yummy, yes. So now what we're going to do is once we have heated up our already made pork, we're going to take the pieces out.
Then cut them.
Exactly, good job. Okay, we're just going to roughly cut it into like little chunks like that big. Okay, so now we got all of our ingredients out. We got our sliced rosemary ham. We have our garlic infused mustard. We have our mayonnaise with salt and pepper.
Then
we
that,
have...
then that, and that.
Yeah.
But they're
all
not ready done.
our, what is this? Lemon arugula?
Lemon arugula.
Swiss cheese?
Cheese.
Cool.
Bagels.
Pickles.
Chicken.
Pork.
Pork.
Carnitas. We forgot, we need bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, duh.
I want
We're
that.
using we're gonna have it with our sandwich.
I know.
Yeah, okay.
I
So
want
this is a French bread.
I'm gonna do besides.
Okay. We're using a French bread.
I'm gonna do this bristle with the size.
All right, so we have this panini maker that we're gonna be using for our press.
And times.
Okay, so for the sandwich, you have your bottom half and then you have your top half of bread. First thing you are going to do is you are going to take your, mayonnaise. You're going to take your mayonnaise and you're going to put it on your bottom half. So go ahead, Ava, take a little spoonful, a little smaller. Okay, put it over that. Spread it on. There you go. Then you're going to take your mustard. Okay, so take a little bit, like that much, and put it over that one and do the same thing, okay? Ooh, careful, don't get it everywhere. Okay, and then spread it around, like this. So then you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your rosemary ham.
Can I do
You're
that?
going to take this slice, yes you sure are, and you're going to take it, you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to put it over this way, okay? Can you do that? Okay. On the bottom half, good job. Then you're going to take some of this, you're going to take some of your carnitas and put it on top, okay?
Okay.
Wow, look at that. Good job, right there. Okay? Now we could do the pickles. Okay,
Yay.
so I'm gonna go ahead and take a pickle, okay, and lay it this way. Okay, can you do that? There you go. And then we're gonna take one more and lay it over this way, right there. Yeah, there you go. Good job. So you're gonna take your lemon arugula and put it on the top. There you go. Good job. Perfect. Look at you. So we're going to take this and we're going to butter up both sides of
Let me try it.
Oh, not yet, it's not ready yet. So we're going to go ahead, butter up both sides of the panini maker. Look at that. We're going to put it on. We're going to butter up this side. And we are going to press.
My daddy got this for me for my birthday.
All right, it has been cooking. Oh my God, that looks amazing. Doesn't it, Ava?
It's going to be mine though.
Yeah, it's gonna be both of ours.
It's going to be mine and we can make a new one for Jay and then Dorian.
That does look very good.
I'm going to have that one.
You gonna have some too, Jaden?
I'll try.
So yeah, this is my other child, my other spawn. His name is Jaden. And yes, they love each other very much. Some days you wouldn't be able to tell. But yeah, he is going to have a birthday later on, in about 5 months or so. And we are going to be doing a special birthday meal video for you, right?
Yep.
Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and try this bad boy.
I'm gonna eat it
Let's do this.
I'm gonna try it too.
Okay. Hey, cheers. You gotta hold it up like this. Put one hand there. There you go. Good job. All right, cheers. Wait, cheers, cheers. Cheers. Mmm. The arugula is a great touch to it.
What about my drink?
Yeah, we have your drink.
I don't see it. I want a drink.
You want your
right
drink?
now.
Okay. There you go. All right, so Ava, back to your birthday sandwich. Do I have your attention, or are you just... Okay. So back to your birthday sandwich. On a scale of 1 to 10, what is it? 10 being the best and 1 being the worst sandwich you've ever had. What is it?
Worst sandwich.
It's the worst sandwich you ever had?
Nice, Dad. I like it.
Oh, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
So is it a 10? She has spoken. The sandwich is a 10. Guys, if you didn't hear it from me, you heard it from the birthday girl. She said it's a 10. She likes it. I mean, I like it. Come on. Come on. It's a cubano. It's a cubano. You gotta like it.
I'm gonna try it on the other side. The big part. Okay.
Yeah, it's messy. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Unskilled Kitchen. You just witnessed my daughter having her 4th birthday sandwich that she requested. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me cook. Let me know what you liked about this video. Give some comments to my lovely lady right here. So you have anything to say to the people, Ava? And what's that? I guess she's trying to say it's finger licking good. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you. Cheers.
Tina.